In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect your Shopify store from your Zendrop account. Whether you're switching platforms, streamlining your operations, or simply need to cut the connection between these two services, the process is straightforward. I'll guide you through each step to ensure the app is uninstalled correctly and your store is disconnected smoothly. First, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin panel. This is the main hub of your store's operations, where you manage everything from products to customer orders. Once you're logged in, your next destination is the Apps and Sales channel settings. This is where you control the various applications that integrate with your Shopify store, making it an essential area for managing third-party services like Zendrop. Navigate to the Apps section, typically found on the left-hand sidebar of your admin dashboard, and select App and Sales channel settings. Here, you'll find a list of all the apps installed on your Shopify store. Your task is to locate the Zendrop, dropshipping, and Pod app from this list. This app facilitates the integration between your Shopify store and Zendrop for seamless dropshipping and print-on-demand services. Once you've found it, the next step is crucial: uninstalling the app. Click on the Zendrop app and you should see the Uninstall button. Clicking this will initiate the process of severing the connection between Zendrop and your Shopify store. Shopify will then prompt you with a confirmation message. This is a precautionary measure to ensure you truly intend to uninstall the app, as doing so will remove the integration and any associated functionalities. Click Uninstall to confirm your action. Once confirmed, the Zendrop app will be removed from your Shopify store, effectively disconnecting the two platforms. After you've uninstalled the app, the link between Shopify and Zendrop will officially be broken. At this point, if you return to your Zendrop account page, you might need to reload the page for the changes to take effect fully. It's also possible you'll be prompted to connect a new Shopify store, given that the existing connection has been removed. A key point to remember is that if you had previously imported products from Zendrop to your Shopify store, this disconnection will also remove those product connections. This won't necessarily delete the products from your store, but they will no longer be synced with Zendrop for inventory or order management. By following these steps, you have now successfully disconnected your Shopify store from your Zendrop account. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you need any more assistance, feel free to explore our other tutorials. Thank you for watching, and good luck with managing your online store.